Hey friends, how have you been? It's
everyone.
Randy, Dawn, and a marathon coach. You can see behind us. We're down in Port St. Lucie, and we want to show you this 2006 double slide. So that's what's on our agenda today.
Yeah, I know some of you have been asking, where have you been? What's happened to you? Are you still in marathon? Yeah, we're still here. Just had kind of an in-between time between the seasons. Now we're back in Florida a little later than normal, but super excited to show you this 06, and hopefully over the next few weeks we'll have some more videos. So it's good to be back, and hope you enjoy this 06 Marathon Double Slide X2.
Everyone again, and over here at Port St. Lucie, it is official Marathon Sunday Fun Day. We're also going to show you a few games of things going on here. We had a cookout. It was a great day.
Yeah,
so always keep Port St. Lucie on your list as a place to visit or possibly purchase a lot.
Yes, great
you
people
won't
here.
regret it. Yeah, it's a great park.
But come see us. We'd love to see you. Enjoy seeing everyone who watches our videos. So keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.